a senior graphic designer, you can earn up to like 1,20,000. You will be helping brands to look professional. Artificial intelligence is going to completely, take away the jobs of graphic designer. If you are even 12th pass, then also you can, with the help of the tools and the software, you can take training and you can become graphic designer. Hello everyone, आज के वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं एक ऐसे करियर की जिसकी डिमांड डिजिटल एरा में कॉन्टिन्यूअसली बढ़ती जा रही है और ये बहुत ही क्रिएटिव फील्ड है जो कि अट्रैक्ट कर रहा है मिलियंस ऑफ कैंडिडेट अराउंड द वर्ल्ड। तो आज हम बात कर रहे हैं ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग की और ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग में आप अपना करियर कैसे बना सकते हैं। मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, व्हाट आर गोइंग टू बी द रोल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, हायरार्की, सैलरी, ग्रोथ चार्ट, बेनिफिट ऑफ द करियर, ये सब हम देखेंगे हमारे आज के डेमो सेशन में। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो अभी समझने की कोशिश करेंगे कि ग्राफिक डिजाइनर कौन होता है। तो ग्राफिक डिजाइनर इज समवन हु इज द बैकबोन ऑफ डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, यानी कि ग्राफिक डिजाइनर आपका लोगो डिजाइन करने से लेकर के सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट डिजाइन करने से लेकर के क्या कैंपेन रन करेगा, दैट मे बी एन एनिमेशन पोस्ट से लेकर के आई कार्ड डिजाइन करना, टी शर्ट डिजाइन करना, मूविंग फॉरवर्ड वेबसाइट और एप्लीकेशंस डिजाइन करना, प्रोडक्ट की डिजाइनिंग करना, बिजनेस के कार्ड्स बनाना, एवरीथिंग, यानी कि द लिस्ट कैन बी अनलिमिटेड। तो ग्राफिक डिजाइनर इज गोइंग टू बी द बैकबोन, यानी कि आप जो भी डिजिटली देखते हो वो सारा कुछ किसी एक ग्राफिक डिजाइनर ने बनाया हुआ है। नाउ लेट अस ट्राई टू कवर कि व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी योर रोल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज एज अ ग्राफिक डिजाइनर, यानी कि आपका जो डेली रोल रहने वाला है ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग में, व्हाट विल दैट इंक्लूड। तो जैसा कि आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे होगे, द वेरी फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज दैट एज अ ग्राफिक डिजाइनर यू विल बी हेल्पिंग ब्रांड्स टू लुक प्रोफेशनल, यानी कि उसकी या तो वेबसाइट हो चाहे आपका प्रोडक्ट डिजाइनिंग हो, व्हाट कलर यू विल बी यूजिंग, यानी कि आप क्या कलर पैलेट यूज करोगे, लोगो कैसे क्रिएट करोगे, गोइंग फॉरवर्ड व्हाट विल बी द स्टाइलिंग फॉर दैट स्पेसिफिक कंपनी, गोइंग फॉरवर्ड एक प्रॉपर ब्रांड गाइडलाइन प्रॉपर क्रिएट होती है आपको जिसको फॉलो करना होता है, और इन ऑर्डर टू look that brand professional, everything end to end is going to be the responsibility of a graphic designer। तो आप ब्रांड की आइडेंटिटी क्रिएट करते हो। द सेकेंड पॉइंट ऑल्सो इंक्लूड्स द डिजाइन ऑफ सोशल मीडिया। जैसे कि आप पोस्ट देख रहे होंगे कि डेली या कंपनीज पोस्ट करती हैं सोशल मीडिया पे, लाइक आपका फेसबुक पे, इंस्टाग्राम पे, लिंक्डइन पे। सो गोइंग अहेड दोज पोस्ट आर डिजाइन्ड बाय अ graphic designer only. Third, how graphic designer supports online businesses, so it's like their product packaging, क्योंकि packaging is going to be a very key part, यानी कि packaging जितना अच्छा होगा उतना ही product बिकता है। तो उसमें ना एक एक कलर पैलेट का, moving forward what will be the design shades, so everything, like every minute stuff that matters a lot. So as a graphic designer you will be creating the product images, packaging, website graphics, everything. The next one is that graphic designer will be helping out developers in order to make the user interface of the website, यानी कि फ्रंट एंड वाला पार्ट कैसा दिखेगा, एक ब्रांड आइडेंटिटी कैसे क्रिएट होगी, उस ब्रांड का कलर क्या है, उसका रिप्रेजेंटेशन कैसा होगा, एवरीथिंग जो आप वेबसाइट पे देखते हो दैट हैज बीन डिजाइन्ड बाय अ ग्राफिक डिजाइनर एंड ऑफ कोर्स विल बी डेवलप्ड बाय द डेवलपर। मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, there are lots of marketing material that is created by the graphic designer, and what does that include, जैसे कि आपका पोस्टर्स हो गए, आपका ब्रोशर्स बनाना हो गया, आपका बिजनेस कार्ड हो गया, आपका आइडेंटिटी कार्ड हो गया विद इन अ कंपनी। सो दीज आर लाइक एडिशनल वंस that comes under the responsibilities of graphic design. Actually, like in current scenarios, brands actually communicate, brand add emotions in order to look their brand more appealing। तो जैसे कि ये इमोशन ऐड करने वाला पार्ट होता है, तो ऑफ कोर्स लाइक दे कैन नॉट स्पीक देमसेल्फ वर्बली। सो इसमें रोल आता है आपके ग्राफिक डिजाइनर का कि हाउ with the help of digital representation they will be making that brand alive। So it's like कि whenever they are making their visuals, they are making their graphics, so they will be making sure कि ये जो boring content है या जो boring designs है इनको हम eye catching कैसे बनाएंगे और how they will be speaking themselves, यानी कि जो infographics है उनको हमें more livingly कैसा बनाना है. Now let us understand कि what will be the hierarchy when in order to make your career full time, अगर आप परमानेंटली ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग में अपना करियर बनाना चाहते हो तो हायरार्की कैसे वर्क करेगी. सो लेट अस से कि यू स्टार्टेड एज अ ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग ट्रेनी या ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग एसोसिएट आप स्टार्ट करते हो. गोइंग फॉरवर्ड यू विल बी वर्किंग फुल टाइम एज अ ग्राफिक डिजाइनर, देन यू विल बी प्रमोटेड एज अ सीनियर ग्राफिक डिजाइनर, देन गोइंग अहेड you will be like a art director, moving forward creative director, head of design, designing manager, chief creative officer. The best part, the point what I'm trying to prove here is कि आपका experience count होता है. यहाँ पे whatever work you will be doing with any company, आप उसका portfolio बनाते हो. उस portfolio का link you will be sharing it with the next company. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ लाइक द वर्बल इंटरव्यू जो 80% डिसीजन मेकिंग होती है दैट विल बी विद द हेल्प ऑफ द वर्क दैट यू हैव डन ऑलरेडी. तो इसमें जो इंटरव्यू वाला हसल है ना आपका वो खत्म हो जाता है कि आपको इंटरव्यू में बैठ करके अपना काम एक्सप्लेन करना है. द बेस्ट विल बी व्हाटएवर यू हैव डन, आप डायरेक्टली अपना पोर्टफोलियो का लिंक कंपनी के साथ शेयर करते हो ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज टीम के साथ एंड दे विल बी एबल टू मेक देयर डिसीजन देन एंड देयर कि वेदर जो डिजाइन आपने बनाए हैं दे आर मीटिंग अप देयर क्वालिफिकेशन क्राइटेरिया और नॉट. सो दिस इज हाउ जो आपका एक्सपीरियंस है दैट विल बी कंसिडर्ड वर्ल्ड वाइड, क्योंकि डिजिटली एवरीवन इज ग्रोइंग वर्ल्ड वाइड, यू नो लाइक द डिजिटल वर्ल्ड इज ग्रोइंग एवरी डे. तो ग्राफिक डिजाइनर जो है दे आर नीडिंग एवरीवेयर, तो आपका एक्सपीरियंस ग्लोबली कंसिडर होगा. सो दिस इज व्हाई ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग इज लाइक अ बूमिंग करियर राइट नाउ. टू गिव यू अ लिटिल आइडिया कि हाउ डज द सैलरी स्ट्रक्चर दैट ग्रोस इन ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग. तो जब आप एज एन इंटर्न स्टार्ट करते हो तो ऑब्वियसली कंपनी आपको एक बेसिक पे देती है दैट विल बी 12 to 15,000. गोइंग अहेड जब आप यू नो लाइक आफ्टर पुटिंग आउट 3 to 6 months यू विल बी एबल टू अर्न up to 40,000 depending upon your portfolio आपका कैसा ग्रो हो रहा है. Going forward once you will be making yourself like a senior graphic designer you can earn up to like 1,20,000. Going ahead art director taking care of the entire graphics of a brand, then you can earn up to 1,80,000 monthly. Going forward if I talk about creative director taking care of the whole soul responsibility of a brand, and you can earn any number. It totally depends upon your you know like professional portfolio, depends upon variety of factors, but you can earn any number that can be 3 lakh 4 lakh 5 lakh per month. Also you can work for the global brands by being in India by doing freelancing. We'll talk more about it in whenever we will be discussing the benefits of graphic designing. So this is how what salary package that you can expect in graphic designing. There are a lot of candidates out there who literally feel that artificial intelligence is going to completely take away the jobs of graphic designer. So let me give you a brief about it. First of all, the designing will always need a human touch because you can think rationally but the AI cannot. AI can only think based on the predictive algorithm. The understanding that the humans have, AI can never have. AI can help you or he can act like your friend, where let us say you need some ideas to make a logo, then with the help of ideogram you will be able to get some ideas, and after that you can be more productive, like you can design better logos. Similarly, AI cannot make trends. Only humans knows based on their experience, based on their feelings, based on the current mood, based on what currently working in the market. So you can design something that can become a trend. So this is something that AI can never do. It's like AI is going to be your friend, not enemy. With the help of AI, try to be more productive, make good designs, get good ideas, but never think this way that any AI can take away your complete jobs. This is never going to happen. अगर आपको अब तक के मेरे डेमो में ये समझ आ गया कि ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग तो बहुत अच्छी जॉब है, इट्स लाइक अ क्रिएटिव जॉब वेयर जो आपके अंदर का आर्टिस्ट है वो बाहर आ जाएगा, एंड गोइंग फॉरवर्ड यार ये तो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है, इसमें मैं इंटरेस्टेड हूँ, बट वेदर इज दिस फॉर मी और नॉट. तो उसके लिए आपको समझना पड़ेगा कि व्हाट इज द क्वालिफिकेशन और द एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया फॉर द ग्राफिक डिजाइनर. So that will be that if you are even 12th pass, then also you can, with the help of the tools and the software, you can take training and you can become graphic designer. That does not require any such graduation or post graduation specialization. There are people out there who used to do specialization, but it's not mandatory. So being a 12th pass also, you can also become a graphic designer. Now let us try to understand कि what is going to be the core benefits of this career, यानी कि ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग में आपको करियर बेनिफिट्स क्या क्या मिलते हैं. तो एक बारी स्क्रीन देखते हैं. फर्स्ट इज गोइंग टू बी गुड इनकम. देर इज नो टारगेट्स, इट्स नॉट अ टारगेट बेस्ड जॉब, इट्स अ वेरी क्रिएटिव जॉब. तो इसमें ना यू नीड टू हैव दैट काम माइंड कि एकदम सुकून से बैठ करके आप इंस्टाग्राम स्क्रॉल कर रहे हो, आइडियाज ले रहे हो, आइडियोग्राम से आइडिया ले रहे हो, एंड just planning everything inside your head and trying to deliver something very creative. So this is how it works. So it's a kind of a job that not only gives you good income but also gives you peace of mind, having no such calling or emailing or any such target. It's like sitting on your system and designing something creative. The next important point is freelancing. It's like you are sitting here and delivering project to one of your client that has been sitting in Europe, Australia, UK, USA. There is no border limits. It's like you can reach out to anyone, you can showcase, this is my portfolio, this is my work. If they like your work, you can get n number of freelancing opportunities. Even like from India, you can earn in dollars or euros. The very important one, that is going to be work from home, because these type of graphic designing work does not need much tracking. So for that, companies used to offer work from home roles. Like if you will be seeing 100 roles, then in that 40 to 50 is going to be work from home right now. Those are available in market. So you will be getting ample opportunities, especially those are housewives, those who cannot go out like to the native metro cities, those who do not want to go to office regularly. For them, this is going to be the best career option, the best skill to learn, that you can avail this benefit of working from home in this career. Now creatively you will have lots of freedom. जैसा कि आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे होगे कि you can use your imagination. It's like it's a complete game of visualization. How good you can visualize, how good you can understand the market, and how good you can put it together in your system. So this is how it works. You will be getting lots of creative freedom in order to complete your task or complete your job. The next point is high demand. Of course, you know, like every company, they want someone who has that critical thinking, who has that mindset in order to make creative posts so that their brand can be alive. Lots of competition out there. So that makes this graphic designing job a very high demanding job in the market. Because being a graphic designer, that does not require that anything apart from a Wi-Fi and a laptop, you know, and like of course the access of some softwares. So you can start your own agency, you know, like you can work independently, you can start your own agency, and you can provide services such as like graphic designing services, and like on a monthly basis, on the subscription basis. So there are n number of ways. It's like you can be financially independent. Let us say you want something, you want to learn something कि जहाँ पे you really don't want to go for the job, कि मेरे को job वॉब नहीं करनी, I wanted to work independently, then this is going to be the best career. You can start your own agency with the help of this specific skill. That is the flexibility to work in industry. यानी कि ग्राफिक डिजाइनर आज हर इंडस्ट्री में रिक्वायर्ड है. दैट मे बी योर टेक इंडस्ट्री, द फैशन इंडस्ट्री, फूड इंडस्ट्री, ट्रैवल इंडस्ट्री, एवरीवेयर दे वांट, क्योंकि आज के मार्केट में जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. तो इट्स लाइक कि इवन इन द फूड इंडस्ट्री यू विल सी कि वो अपने शाही पनीर का बहुत अच्छा सा फोटो निकाल करके अपने रेस्टोरेंट में लगा रहे हैं. सो दिस इज व्हाट दैट लिटरली क्रिएट्स the need of a graphic designer, कि in every industry you will see ample of opportunities, and कि आप कहीं पे भी apply कर सकते हो. There are n number of jobs. Okay, so I guess so far I was able to explain you clearly कि graphic designing का end to end career wise what is the scope, eligibility going forward, like the salary structure, benefits, the role of AI and everything. Now let us try to understand ki how we will be able to deliver you, or how we will be able to make you an effective advanced graphic designer in 30 days what will be the curriculum that we are going to cover. So let us start with the week 1. So first week mein we will be covering the basics of graphic designing. What that does that actually includes? It's like कि basic designing principles such as balancing, contrast, alignment. Going forward, understanding colors and how to use them, where to use them, what does that color actually means. Going forward, basics of the font, basics of typography, simple layouting, composition, introduction to the design softwares such as Photoshop and Canva. Going forward, parallelly, we will be making projects, we will be doing assignments so that we will be implementing it live, so that you will be working on real live projects. In the week 2nd, we will be covering learning designing tools such as Illustrator, Photoshop basics, tools and interface. Going forward, editing photos in Photoshop, exporting and saving designs properly, practicing projects, designing logo in Illustrator. So this is something we will be covering in second week. Now, going forward, third week, we will be working on real world designing practice, such as branding basics, what actually makes a brand. Going forward, business card, browser designing social media post and ads, website and app designing basics, creating infographics, data visuals, building your designing portfolio, and what does that actually will include based on your personality. Going forward, we'll be practicing on the live project. When I'm saying, so I'm saying the industry project, the live industry project. So we will be sharing it with you ki how does those live project actually work. If I talk about the fourth week, that is going to be career and the advanced skills, where we will be working on freelancing basics like how to get the projects. Going forward, how to deliver them. Next, creating the portfolio link and the portfolio website, presentation skills, basics of motion graphics, understanding the client feedback and making revisions. And we'll be working on real time our portfolio so that we can share it with the clients who will be asking it. So once your curriculum will be completed, we will be working on the 15 days placement process, in which जो हम फर्स्ट वीक में कवर करेंगे, that will be preparation of your resume, how to include your portfolio link there, how to showcase your work effectively, how to work on your LinkedIn, and actively how to attempt the mock interviews. So week 1 में we will be making you that confident that you will be able to face any client, you will be able to face any interviewer out there in the market. In the second week, we will be scheduling your live interviews. The best part is going to be that we will schedule your unlimited interviews. So whether if you are a weak candidate, it might take 5, 6, 7 or 8 number of interviews. If you're a strong candidate, it will take 1, 2 or 3 interviews hardly in order to get you into the industry. So it's like key your commitment that will matter. If you will be taking the sessions sincerely, then 100% success will be there. You will be getting a decent job out from there in the market. अगर आप में से कुछ लोग who will be trying for the work from home roles, तो आप स्क्रीन देख पा रहे होगे, there are companies out there where we had placed candidate specifically location wise. So it's Hyderabad, Chennai, Delhi, Pune, Mumbai, Kolkata, Ahmedabad, Chandigarh, Kochi, Jaipur, Indore, Bangalore, where we placed candidate on site. These are like where the mostly IT cities or metro cities are there. And if you want work from home, so as mentioned, this is going to be the lucrative part, that in graphic designing you can get ample number of work from home or freelancing roles. So I guess guys, I was able to cover everything, like what comes within the graphic designing, curriculum wise, placement process wise, and what is this career all about. Still, अगर आप लोगों का कोई क्वेश्चन है, so put it out in the comment. Our team will be replying on the same. So stay tuned. We'll be connecting in the next video. Have a nice day.